learn to live for yourself. For yourself. Whereas we want to live to show others. We want to live so that we get approval from others. And then there is a fear. There is a fear. And when fear comes, it stops the easy flow of energy. And you are a flowing energy. I'll give you one example from your only conversation. Like he said, I want my knees to be healed. I seek. But in that conversation, he said, I want to show it to whole Luxembourg. Also is more powerful. Now, please learn. Now, the next thought comes that if I am not been able to show it to them, because the moment you have a desire to show it to them, then there is a fear. Suppose, but if you are living it for your own self, अपने लिए करना है, दिखाना के क्या लेना देना, then there are chances of energy, then there is no fear. But I'm not talking about conscious thinking, I'm talking about subconscious thinking. And you all Shiv yogis must become aware of subconscious thinking. Consciously, you are seeking to heal yourself. And then the next thought comes that I will be able to show it to everybody. And then the next thought comes of fear if I am not been able to show. A little bit this comes, then it is going to stop the energy. So you want to simplify your life. I want all of you to simplify your life. And ask yourself, if I show it to others, then what will happen? Then what will happen? What will they give me? And if I am not been able to show it to others, then what will they take me? Then you will realize that happiness comes from within, and what you should work for is to achieve your happiness and not acknowledgement of others. If you feel that your happiness will be acknowledgement of others, then there is a problem.